All right, guys, Andrew here. You know how every week there's like a million AI updates? I went through all of them so you don't have to. Let's break it down. Wall Street just got scared, and the reason is AI.
Because AI can suddenly do work that entire teams used to handle.
All right, something pretty crazy just happened on Wall Street. Big companies are suddenly talking about AI like it's a problem, not just a cool tool. Even weirder, mentions of AI in company meetings doubled in just a few months, and the stock market reacted, fast. So what's going on? Well, a lot of tech companies sell software that helps people do their jobs. But now AI can do some of those jobs itself. So investors started asking a scary question. If AI can do the work, do we still need the software? And that's what Wall Street is really worried about. Imagine you sell tools to help people work faster. But suddenly, a computer can do the whole job. That's great for technology. But for some companies, that's terrifying. Most people still think AI is just a chatbot. You ask a question, it gives an answer. But the new version of AI is different. It can plan things, organize work, even write computer code. Think of it like a digital worker that never sleeps. And here's where it gets big. A major bank called Morgan Stanley says about $1.5 trillion in software businesses could be affected. That's a lot of money, because if AI can do the same work, companies might stop paying for the software. But this isn't the end of everything. It's just a huge shift. And here's the twist. The companies building AI are doing amazing right now. Think NVIDIA, Amazon, Foxconn, companies building giant AI data centers. They're investing billions. But companies that only sell traditional software, they might have a tougher road ahead. Now you might be thinking, okay, Andrew, but what does this have to do with me? Well, AI can already do things that accountants, marketers, and even programmers used to do. That means some jobs might change, but it also means services could get cheaper and faster. And pretty soon, a lot of the apps you use every day might be powered by AI. But there is a bright side. AI can also make life way easier. Imagine your emails sorting themselves, your schedule organizing itself, your apps giving you answers instantly. Basically, AI could handle the boring stuff, so you don't have to. So here's the question investors are asking right now. Can AI do what this company's software does? If the answer is yes, that company might be in trouble. And if the answer is no, well, AI might figure it out soon anyway. So here's the big picture. The AI revolution isn't coming someday. It's already here. Wall Street is nervous. Companies are racing to adapt. And for the rest of us, AI could change the way we work, the apps we use, and even the jobs we have. So the real question isn't if AI will affect your life. It's how soon.